Myself Anil Bedi, I am the proprietor of Bedigo Automotives. I started this business in the year 1991 with the manufacturing of cycle spare parts. My journey started with a small premises that was of around 50 square yards in the Kalsian Street, and we were into the manufacturing of cycle parts. After that, I came into the imports and exports in the year 1999. Then we switched to motorcycle parts, auto parts, and later we come into the business of items, chains, industrial chains, agriculture machinery parts, and then we started moving ahead. And today we are a group of more than 37 crore turnover. So my goals of this journey, my goals of my business is to develop an ecosystem where I want the prosperity of all the people that are associated with me, be it my staff, be it my workers, be it my dealers, distributors, whosoever is connected with me. My aim is to develop such a society, where there is a justice, where there is a dignified growth. Now I joined this program, Growth Theatre. I joined this program because I feel there are some things, which I need to learn more to grow. I find some obstacles, some hindrances, some bottlenecks that I feel that I need some external training to overcome that. And I expect that the coaches here are quite talented, good enough, and we have attended few sessions now, until 2-3 sessions, and I find this program quite interesting, and I feel this will help us to break the bottlenecks of our own mindset. And I want the attrition of the employees to be reduced. My dream to have a turnover of 100 crores by the year 2025, and I want to achieve milestone by 2025. This is my target for the Growth Theatre, that I want this program that should help me to achieve this. To build an ecosystem, to build a society, to have my workers, my dealers, distributors, and whosoever are associated me to grow, so that there is a growth of everyone, including myself.
सादा कारोबार, पंजाब दी शान।